Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate my project titled StoreMate Smart Management for Modern Store, which is a desktop-based store management system developed using C# Windows Forms and Microsoft SQL Server. This system is designed to help small and medium-sized retail businesses manage their daily operations efficiently, including product management, sales processing, customer handling, reporting, and user management with role-based access control. Now, I will demonstrate the system step by step. Let's start. First, this is the login page of our system where users must be enter their username and password to access the system. The login process is role based. That means user can be admin, manager, or staff, and each role has different access permissions. If a user is inactive, even with correct credentials, the system will not allow login until an admin activates only. After entering the valid credential, click on the login button, then it will redirect to dashboard. So if we create an account, this is our registration page. If we put a name like Rupa or Rupa, I'm neglecting the last name, contact number, username Rupa, password Rupa, role if I go for admin, and registration successful. But if we try to log in with Rupa, we'll see access denied section. Your account is not active yet. Please wait for admin approval or mail to our boss. So if our so after successful login, the system redirects to the dashboard. The dashboard provides a clean and professional interface with a navigation panel on the left side, and from here, user can access different modules such as products, sales, customers, reports, user management, and settings also. At the top of the system displays the correct date. Here we can see the correct date and time along with the StoreMate banding. Here is the banding, and we can see there is a section which shows us the total products, total sales, and total customers. And here is a chart if we want to see last 7 days, last 30 days, and this year we can see this, and top 5 products also. Now I will demonstrate the product management. So from the last time we can see here is the user management page, and we have registered a name Rupa, which role is admin, and contact number null. So Rupa, you can see that Rupa is not active yet. If it is checked, it means it is active. Unchecked means inactive. So Rupa is not active yet. That's why she can't access this software. If admin try to check this, then Rupa will be granted as an admin and she can log into our system. If we try to log in Rupa, now she has the access of our software. So I'm going to demonstrate the product management module now. Uh, in the very first, if we go through the product page, if there is a uh, if there is some low stock, then we can see low stock warning, and you can see there is 3 product in low stock, and we can see here in a red mark. Can refresh here, and we can also see the um, low stock product also. From the left navigation panel, I click on products, and this opens all the products page, which is divided into 2 sections. On the left section, we have the product information panel where products details are entered or edited. On the right side, there is a data grid view that displays all products stored in our database. So if we want to add new product, I enter the product name like sugar, category, grocery, price 50, quantity 450. I'm not giving the description. I am entering a product which is seen as duplicate entry because sugar is already in our database, so we can't add this. If we want to add something else like potato chips 50 quantity. And if we try to add this, product added successfully. We can see here potato chips is updated in our all products. Here we can see that. If we want to edit this, then we must have click on the potato chips, and here is all the things. And if we want to change the price, we can change the price and we can press in update button, and product will be updated successfully. Here you can see that product is updated successfully. Now if we want to delete any product, like when you want to delete this product rice one, we press on delete, and here will be a pop-up shows that are you sure want to delete this product. If we press yes, then product will be deleted, and there will be no longer rice one. And if we want to print the product list, we can print here by this, and the product will be generated automatically. If we click another one and clear, this product information will be clear from here. Next, I will demonstrate the sales module. This is our sales page. From the navigation panel, if I click on sales, this page divided into two main sections. On the left side, products are displayed, and on the right side, we have the invoice card. Adding a products to cart now. I can search for product, select it, specify quantity, and click by adding to our cart. If I search for rice, it will come here, and if I click into cart, it will add in our cart. Then if I want to, well, also sugar, milk, chocolate, no, potato. If I want to chocolate, you can see here is quantity 1. So if I want to add more than 1, then it will show a pop-up, not enough stock available. So we are not gonna do this, and roll. So these select items appear in the invoice card, and the total amount is calculated automatically. Here you can see 455 taka. If we go through the checkout process, after adding all products, I click on checkout. The system asks for customer information. If the customer is new, the system automatically saves the customer data. Then the payment amount is entered, and the system calculates the return amount. So if we place the customer name as Roby, contact number 01, and we go for proceed to payment, total payment shows that 455 taka. So if we pay 500 taka, there is an error, duplicate key value. Okay, so if we cast and 400, 500, there will be automatically generated invoice. Here we can see that the invoice is saved in a distinct place. Invoice automatically generate. We can see also if we want to clear any card, we press here, and click card will be deleted. And if there is needed that enter invoice number, if we press like 66, if it is available, it will show. You can see here is our invoice. This is the logo, etc. We have this software was proudly developed by Lobby. We can see everything here. Now once payment is confirmed, the system generates professional invoice that we have seen earlier. This invoice also includes the store information, invoice number, date, product details, total amount, paid amount, return amount, and the QR code. This invoice is automatically saved as a PDF and also can be printed. And the very important part from this, after completing a sale, the product stock is automatically updated in the database. This ensures real-time inventory management. And if we go through the customer management module, from the navigation panel, I click on customers, and this page displays all registered customers. Like if we refresh this, we can see all the information of our customers automatically. And if I want to see how much Ruby spent on last 30 days or in last 1 years, we can also see that. Here is her purchase history. If I want to print this, I can also see this. Okay, let's jump to the reports module. From the navigation panel, I click on reports. This module allows the users to generate multiple types of reports based on date range and report type. Like if I want to see the report from Thursday 1 to 5, I mean today, like 5 February. If I want to daily sales, see the daily sales. If I click on general reports, it will show me the total thing that we have got total sales and revenue and total invoice number and total top products is rice. It is also showing that. If we want to invoice-wise sale, it will generate the invoice-wise sale. We can also see the product-wise sale by clicking generate report. We can see that. And if I want to monthly summary, I can see also monthly summary. And low stock report, also I can see the low stock report and monthly summary. If I want to print this report, I can also print PDF, and it will be saved in our system. I can also see that here is the invoice wise report, and we can see everything here. Let's jump to the next part, user management module. This user management module is accessible only to admin users only. From the navigation panel, I click on user management. Here admins can view all registered users along with their roles and active status. Roles and active status control is controlled by only admin. Admins can change user roles between admin, manager and staff. That we can see. We can change here. So we are not going to change now. If we uh, if we log in with this data, we can see some different thing, and also the role based access. And here if the status, we can see that whom are not active yet, like Nabiha, Nihan, Muskan is not activated. If we click on checked, and it will grant the permission of our system. And here also we can have the settings that first name, if we want to change the first name, old password, we can do it also. Like if the password is not, if I want to change anything, old password must be same as our system password. So if we put our old password, and if I want to change anything here, like if I want to update this, change photo and want to change this, it will automatically successfully update it. And if we again logged into our system, we can see our photo here that we have changed a little bit time ago. And if there is another access control that we have told earlier, there is a role based access control. If we try to log in with our staff, Rabbi is a staff in our project demonstration, you can see he has only control of sales, customers and settings, nothing else. If a manager logged into our system, he is a manager of our system, that he can access dashboard, product, sales, customer reports, only these navigations. So this is our total role-based access control system. And for in our database, the backend of StoreMate is implemented using Microsoft SQL Server. We use SQL queries, joins, aggregate function, and transaction to ensure data integrity. All operations such as product management, sales, processing, customer handling, and reports are directly connected to the database. Let's conclude this thing. And this system is suitable for real-world deployment and in a retail stores, and can be extended further into full ERP system. Thank you for watching our project demonstration.